How often do you exercise?
I usually exercise 5 days a week to stay fit.
What kind of workouts do you prefer?
I like doing a mix of cardio and strength training.
Where do you usually work out?
I go to a nearby gym because it has great equipment.
When did you start focusing on your fitness?
I started 2 years ago after realizing I needed a healthier lifestyle.
What motivates you to keep working out?
Seeing my progress and feeling more energetic keeps me going.
Which part of your body do you like to train the most?
I enjoy training my legs because it makes me feel strong.
How long do you usually spend at the gym?
I usually spend around an hour there each session.
What's your favorite exercise?
I love cycling because it's both fun and challenging.
How do you stay consistent with your workouts?
I follow a fixed schedule and track my progress weekly.
What do you eat before a workout?
I usually have a banana and a cup of black coffee.
What do you eat after exercising?
I eat some eggs and toast to regain energy.
How do you stay hydrated during workouts?
I always keep a bottle of water with me and sip regularly.
Which is your least favorite exercise?
I don't really like burpees because they're too tiring.
How do you warm up before a workout?
I stretch my muscles and jog lightly for a few minutes.
What benefits have you noticed from regular exercise?
I feel more active, sleep better, and stay in a good mood.
What time of day do you prefer to work out?
I like exercising in the morning because it boosts my energy.
What sports do you enjoy playing?
I enjoy playing badminton and football with my friends.
How do you handle workout fatigue?
I take short breaks and make sure to get enough rest.
What kind of diet do you follow?
I try to eat balanced meals with fruits, vegetables, and protein.
How do you control your junk food cravings?
I drink water and eat a healthy snack instead.
What's your favorite healthy food?
I love grilled chicken with steamed vegetables.
How do you track your fitness goals?
I use a mobile app to record my workouts and progress.
What do you do when you feel unmotivated?
I remind myself why I started and watch fitness videos.
How do you balance work and fitness?
I plan my day ahead so I can manage both easily.
What's your opinion about yoga?
I think yoga is great for both the mind and body.
How does exercise affect your mood?
It makes me happier and reduces my stress.
What fitness challenge have you tried recently?
I joined a 30-day plank challenge last month.
What kind of music do you like during workouts?
I prefer upbeat pop songs to keep my energy high.
How do you stay fit without going to the gym?
I do home workouts and go for runs in the park.
What's your favorite outdoor activity?
I enjoy hiking because it combines fitness and nature.
What's the hardest part about staying fit?
The hardest part is maintaining consistency every day.
How do you reward yourself after reaching a goal?
I treat myself to a healthy smoothie or new gym gear.
Who inspires you to stay fit?
My fitness trainer motivates me to keep pushing harder.
What's your fitness goal for this year?
I want to build more muscle and improve my stamina.
How do you manage your sleep routine?
I sleep at the same time every night and avoid screens before bed.
How important do you think mental health is?
I think it's equally important as physical health.
How do you deal with stress?
I meditate and take deep breaths when I feel stressed.
What's your favorite way to relax after a long day?
I take a warm shower and listen to calming music.
What's your view on dieting?
I believe in healthy eating rather than strict dieting.
How do you keep yourself motivated to eat healthy?
I remind myself how good I feel after eating clean food.
What's one unhealthy habit you want to change?
I want to stop eating late at night.
How often do you visit a doctor for a checkup?
I go for a checkup every 6 months to stay updated on my health.
How do you prevent catching a cold or flu?
I eat nutritious food and keep myself warm in cold weather.
What do you do when you feel tired during the day?
I take a short nap or drink some green tea for energy.
What kind of supplements do you take?
I take vitamin D and protein powder as per my trainer's advice.
How do you manage your weight?
I maintain a balanced diet and keep track of my calories.
What is your morning routine like?
I wake up early, stretch, and drink a glass of lemon water.
How do you stay active on weekends?
I go for long walks or play outdoor games with friends.
What's your favorite type of workout class?
I enjoy Zumba classes because they're full of energy and fun.
What do you think about running every day?
I think it's great as long as you take rest days too.
How do you avoid feeling lazy?
I set small daily goals to keep myself productive.
What's your go-to drink after a workout?
I like having a protein shake or coconut water.
How do you handle muscle soreness?
I stretch properly and use a foam roller to relax my muscles.
What fitness app do you use?
I use MyFitnessPal to track my meals and workouts.
How do you keep your body flexible?
I do yoga and stretching exercises every morning.
What do you do when you skip a workout?
I make up for it the next day with an extra session.
How do you maintain a positive attitude toward fitness?
I focus on progress instead of perfection.
What kind of fitness clothes do you like?
I prefer light and comfortable sportswear.
What are your thoughts on group workouts?
I find them motivating because of the team energy.
How do you prepare for a marathon?
I train daily and follow a high-protein diet.
What's your favorite gym equipment?
I like using the treadmill for cardio sessions.
How often do you take rest days?
I take 1 or 2 rest days each week to recover.
How do you manage your diet when traveling?
I pack healthy snacks and drink plenty of water.
What's the most effective exercise for losing weight?
I think high-intensity interval training works best.
How do you keep your heart healthy?
I eat low-fat food and do regular cardio exercises.
What do you do if you get injured during exercise?
I rest, apply ice, and visit a doctor if needed.
How do you deal with food temptations at parties?
I eat small portions and choose healthier options.
What's your favorite fruit to eat daily?
I love eating apples because they keep me full and healthy.
How often do you check your blood pressure?
I check it once every few months at the clinic.
That sounds great. What kind of exercise do you enjoy most?
I really like jogging in the park because it clears my mind and helps me relax.
Do you also follow a specific diet plan?
I don't follow a strict diet, but I eat more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains.
I've been trying to eat healthier too, but I struggle with cutting down on sugar.
It's hard at first, but replacing sugary snacks with nuts or fruit really helps.
How many times a week do you go jogging?
I usually go about 4 times a week, depending on the weather.
Do you prefer working out alone or with friends?
Sometimes I go alone, but I enjoy joining group workouts for motivation.
I recently joined a gym, and it's been quite motivating to see others exercising.
That's awesome. Gyms are great for consistency and access to different equipment.
Do you like lifting weights or doing more cardio workouts?
I prefer a mix of both because it keeps things balanced and interesting.
I focus more on strength training because I want to build muscle tone.
That's smart. Strength training helps improve posture and boost metabolism.